All right, here it is done. We've changed the outdoor lights here, as well as stained that brick and replaced all those windows in the bottom. Let's go in. Also, that front door is brand new. Got rid of the old glass. Coming in here, all wood, new lighting. Nice and opened up, nice and big. Everything is pretty much can lights now. New thermostat. New closet there. This closet, if you remember, used to open that other way and hit our top here. Now I've changed it around to open the proper direction. Well, in here, our bathroom, all new. Everything is new. It's beautiful. Inside here, we now have this piece. All new lights throughout. Closet doors in every room. It's wonderful. This closet, not much has changed. Just changed the shelves out to new shelves. Let's see in here. The master. You'll notice the one where they patched a hole in the floor is gone. We just have the one working vent now. The ceiling is white instead of green. All the ceilings in the house that were flat have now been textured to match all the other texture throughout the house. And we changed the closet doors to a slider so that we don't take up any of the space that's in this master. Let's go and I'll show you just a little broom closet here. Nice and neat. And the big change, this kitchen. We changed the light. This light, as well as the one over here, works all 6 of the can lights throughout this room. Whereas before that switch worked that light, this switch worked that. Look at this kitchen now. Laundry room is downstairs. So we've got new pantry, got bar stools that can tuck under this little nook here. All new appliances, everything's brand spanking new. Out here we have a proper deck and stairs that go down, and no more of those monstrous sheds that were falling over. The old steps that just came straight off the door with no railing, held in by one 2x4 joist hanger and one screw. So lifted those away from the house, got this big guy on here. Let's take you down. This is the old original railing, painted nice brushed nickel color, and we got rid of the extra 2x4s that were against this wall. Down here, if you remember, we had all that mucked up wall here and here. It's all been fixed up. Got the railing in now. Come down. Here's our new stackable washer and dryer. And then this here is for a water softener loop add-on. And they've got a floor drain there, or the drain there. And that big change right here. Brand new stair set. All running rises are identical. So that's a beautiful thing. Now we've got the hallway. It's much wider. It used to end right where this seam in the wood is, up to that corner. Now it's opened all the way over. So this door just got a slant to save as much space because it's our smallest bedroom. There's our water shut off. Now we've got a full 4-foot closet instead of that little one. So that's much better for a bedroom. And then in here, patched up all the holes, new front windows, and shrink that 6-foot closet to a normal sized 4-foot closet. Patched up the hole down here, finished off the ceiling. Got rid of all the shelves that used to be in that side. This wall got pushed back. We've got a new pocket door that is spring loaded to save on our space in this bathroom so we could keep a full-size vanity. We've got the mirror, same lights we have upstairs. We've got the vent fan and light. This one we just did a surround versus tile, but it's all copper behind here instead of that PVC they used to have. So inside here we've got a brand new 50-gallon water heater, new furnace, new AC, and then a correct light that's not tied onto the water piping, an outlet. So as you can see back here, it's copper, no more PVC. Under the stairs where the door used to open the other way around and hit this bulkhead, which we raised all these ceilings up as high as we could take them. This is our load bearing here. So that's as high as we made that side. This side we kicked a little higher for getting stuff downstairs furniture wise, whatever we could get for people to turn around. Added a third stringer underneath this staircase to shore it up so we didn't have any squeaks, as well as a little pull chain light. Some leftover flooring. It's just an under the stairs there. Some little storage. And then in here, still have that little bulkhead. It's up 2 inches higher, but this guy goes floor to ceiling, so nobody's bonking their head anymore on that little piece that bumped out, and they can use it for storage, toys, books, movies. And over here, that other big bump is now up against the wall, and the outlet that used to sit up here, super high off the floor at the edge, is now down in the middle where it should have been. So, as well as erected a new wall for that 5th bedroom down here, and new windows, obviously. And again, doors on the closets. It's a heck of a thing. Well as we got under the deck. So, there it is. All nice and brand new. All the walls nice neutral colors. Got the can lights in down here. All the bedroom lights are those matching lights. But there you have it. Start to finish.